Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, I am super stoked to have you, and if you are a returning Stitchy, welcome back. I am super excited about this video because of the editing that is going to happen, and the reason I know the editing is going to be amazing is because I've already done this video once, so I accidentally erased it. And I have to do this video again, which stinks because now there's not the like real raw reactions. But we go on. So today is the first day of the big advent that Andrew made for me. I think we have 13 days, maybe 14 days. I don't know. It was originally 12. I think we have 13. So, this is the very first one. Okay. So, in the very first one, there are 3 balls of this Loops and Threads Cozy Boucle. It's 100% polyester. It is a super bulky 6. This is in the color Blackbird. It's got 164 yards, 150 grams. And it is a fluffy polyester. It kind of feels like the Bernat Pipsqueak, but not as soft. It's more like silky, but not quite like the latte cakes. So there's that. And, excuse, I have dye under my nails. And then there's little bits in here. There's little white bits, black bits. There's 3 of those. And then there's 2 of the spearmint. And the spearmint has chartreuse and like an aqua and a white of the little bits. So there's 2 of those. And then he got me a Spirograph to try. I think these came out when we were a kid or something. I never tried one of these. Now, this is where I'm going to be doing some editing, and it was actually kind of cool. I sped it up, I did music to it, and it was cool watching it be done really fast. So that is what I'm going to do again. there's a lot of patterns. There's a lot of different patterns that you can do, which is kind of cool. So like there's a booklet. The booklet tells you how to do like all these things. The problem is it like these are numbered, and it tells you like take this one and put it in position blank and line that up with position, oh there we go, line it up with position blank. I can't see that to do that, so this is just willy-nilly, you know, just showing the different like patterns that it can do or whatever. You know, this might not be a cup of tea for adults, but I could see kids having a lot of fun with it. If you can read the patterns, then I think it would be an absolute blast. But yeah, so that's the Spirograph. Okay, so we have 12 and 13 because I can't remember if I showed 12, so I'm showing 12 and then I'm showing 13. So this is 12. I really like this top one. It's got brown, gray, aubergine, like a pumpkin-y carrot, and like a goldenrod. Yeah, I do remember showing this. I just don't know if this was on the video that I accidentally erased. And then light greens and blues, kind of sea foam colors. And then this is today's, I believe. Yeah, this is the one I opened up yesterday. I accidentally stuck it in a gift bag instead of its numbered bag, but that's okay. And then this is today's. So more, I feel like I have several of this one, which is okay. It's pinks and blues. And then there's this one, which is just all kinds of different colors. All kinds. Purples, greens, oranges, creams, a little bit of pink and blue and brown, all kinds of colors in there. And then I already did the gift, which was a mint green soft measuring tape. But who says we can't do another one? Okay, so we'll do this one. And I actually guessed the measuring tape right. I think this is, I don't know, stitch markers maybe? Like the little plastic ones? I honestly don't know. Yeah, I think these are stitch markers. Yeah. Which I am here for. You can never have too many of these. Oh, there's that. Oh, cute! There's the handmade tags too. Oh, neato. I love that. Cool. So there's 2 of the handmade tags and then, I don't know, a handful of the plastic diaper stitch markers. So that's super cool. I'm actually putting that right in my pocket. And the gift bag can go in trash. So that is today's video. I still don't have my mystery bags from Aberdeen Wool, so still watching out for that. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Leave some feedback below. Tell me what you thought of the editing. I worked really hard on it, and I was so proud of it last night until I accidentally erased it. But I remember what I did, and I'm going to do the same thing on this one that I did on yesterday's that I accidentally erased. So, I love you guys. Stay safe and stay weird. Happy holidays. Happy Christmas. So, editing Thryss here. I just wanted to say, link to you directly. Thank you so much for everything that you do. I really do appreciate you. I don't know where the camera is. Oh, there it is. I love you. And I really do appreciate everything that you do.